If there's something that you've been wanting to do in business or in your personal life and you're not sure how to get started, jump off the mountain and you will get your wings. This means that you may not know the way, but you have to take the steps in order to find it. This happened to me in my personal life. I had a great job, I was doing great in sales, and I wanted to go explore the world, travel, and maybe move out west for a little bit. And I didn't know how to do that. How do I move out to Colorado? I don't know anyone, I don't know what I would do for a living, and I don't know the steps to get there. And so basically I had to take a leap of faith. And then the steps start revealing themselves. So figuratively, I had to jump off the mountain, and then the path revealed itself. So next time you're thinking about something you've been wanting to do, you've been thinking about it for weeks, days, months, years, figuratively jump off the mountain and you will get your wings.